Zetsu.
Japan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this gorgeous wig. This wig was sent to me from MyFirstWig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. So the wig that I received is a 20-inch Yaki wig with blonde highlights. The density is 130%, and the cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig with 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. MyFirstWig just keeps getting better and better. I love the selection of colors, the variation of lengths, and the selection that they have for us to choose from, the different textures and styles. Their wigs are perfect for beginners because all of the work is pretty much already done for you. All you have to do is style and install. The hairline is flawless. It's already pre-plucked for us, and the knots are already bleached as well. The first thing that I'm going to do, and this is always optional, is tint the lace of my wig so that it can be a flawless melt. So to tint the lace of my wigs, I use 2 different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation, and I'll be spraying that along the hairline portion of the lace frontal. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that along the inner portion of this lace frontal. I'm going to do 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and blow dry in between each layer. So this wig features MyFirstWig's new air lace. This lace is softer, breathable, and it melts into any skin tone flawlessly. So here is how the wig looks straight out of the package and placed onto my mannequin head. Here is how the color looks. I love the fact that there are different tones of blondes throughout this wig. So you have like a pale ash blonde, and then you have like a cooler toned ash blonde. And I love the placement of the highlights as well. Super cute, super trendy, and perfect for spring and summer. So I am going to get started with styling this hair, but first I want to grab 2 different products. The first product is BioSilk Silk Infusion Hair Serum, and I am going to also apply a heat protectant to the hair because this hair has been processed and bleached. You want to make sure that you are taking extra care of it. In small sections, I'm just going to flat iron through the hair and then lightly bump the ends. Okay, so now that I am at the front of the head where the hairline is, I'm just going to grab my hair wax stick, apply that to the hair, and then use my pressing comb to smooth those hairs out. This is just going to mold everything into place, get those hairs to lay down where they're supposed to be, and just make everything look a lot more polished. All done. Here is how our wig is looking after being flat ironed. I love it. I think the density is perfect. The color placement is perfect. This hair looks so natural, and I love the Yaki texture of it as well. I love how it flows and moves. It's just such a gorgeous unit, perfect for spring and summer. I am going to finish off styling this wig by spraying a light hold hairspray to it, and this hairspray is Sebastian Plus Shaper Spray. Okay, so now it's time to cut away that extra lace. Grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm going to carefully cut down the center of the extra lace. That is going to divide it into 2 different sections. Then I'm going to follow the natural curvature of the ear tabs and get rid of the lace around there. Grabbing a pair of pinking shears, I'm going to cut directly in front of the hairline to remove the extra lace. It is now time for install. I'm grabbing alcohol and I'm going to clean off my forehead with that alcohol. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector and applying that to my scalp. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement so that I can get an idea of how this wig would look after being installed. My hairline is showing through the lace, as you can see, which means that I am going to have some baby hairs on this wig. If I pull the wig forward, then that means that my forehead kind of loses some of its size. And if I make it the correct size of my forehead, then my edges are going to be showing through the wig. Okay, this is like low hairline problems, but it can always be worked with. So I decided that I'm not going to wear this wig glueless, but I am going to do my sponge and adhesive method to install this wig. So I'm grabbing Wonder Lace Bond by Even New York. I'm going to spray that on my makeup sponge and then dab that adhesive along the edge of the lace. My hairline is showing through a little bit, but not to worry, I am going to fix that later. Putting my headscarf on for 15 minutes and then removing it 15 minutes after that. Here is how the hair is looking. The lace melted flawlessly. Now I'm just going to apply some oil to the hairline of the wig because the adhesive did make some of the hair kind of stick onto each other. So adding that oil does help to loosen that hair from the adhesive. So I'm just going to grab a small tooth comb or a rat tail comb, and I'm just going to comb through the hairline just to get the hairs to be in the exact placement that I want it to be. I did apply some baby hair off camera, and here is how it is looking. I am so obsessed with this hair color. So the wig did have some shedding, and that is expected given the fact that this has been processed and colored to the color that it is. I do really love the fact that this is colored Yaki hair. It is kind of difficult to find a Yaki wig that has been bleached or colored. So I do want to do a half up, half down hairstyle for you guys so that you can see how it would look. And I loved how this came out. It was super cute. I love this little ponytail that I created. And with the color placement of the highlights, it was so pretty in the sun. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Let's chat all things this wig, this color, this texture down below in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Yeah, that's right. It's beige.